Best Amazon Finds for Thanksgiving and Christmas 2024, Ultimate Holiday Guide. Welcome back to the RavTech Gadgets channel. Are you ready to make this holiday season unforgettable? Today, we're sharing the best Amazon finds for Thanksgiving and Christmas 2024. Everything you need to elevate your celebrations and find the perfect gifts. From festive decor to must-have gadgets, we've got it all. Let's dive into the Ultimate Holiday Guide. Discover the ultimate Amazon holiday shopping guide for Thanksgiving and Christmas 2024. Whether you're planning festive gatherings or searching for the perfect gift, this list has you covered. Explore top-rated finds that combine functionality, style, and affordability to make your holiday season unforgettable. 1. Festive Dinnerware Sets. Price: $39.99 plus elevate your holiday dining with beautiful Thanksgiving and Christmas-themed dinnerware sets. Durable, dishwasher safe, and perfect for hosting festive dinners. 2. LED String Lights. Price: $19.99. Add warmth and charm to your home with versatile LED string lights. Choose from a variety of colors and patterns to fit your holiday decor. 3. Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1. Price: $89.99. A lifesaver for holiday cooking. Quickly prepare soups, roasts, and desserts with this multifunctional kitchen gadget. 4. Personalized Stockings. Price: $15.99 each. Create cherished memories with customized stockings for your family. Available in various designs and fabrics. 5. Electric Wine Opener Gift Set. Price: $29.99. Open your holiday wine bottles effortlessly with this sleek electric opener. Includes a foil cutter and pourer. 6. Holiday-themed Throw Blankets. Price: $24.99. Snuggle up with festive throw blankets featuring holiday patterns, perfect for cozy nights or gift-giving. 7. Amazon Echo Show 8. Price: $129.99. Stay connected and organized during the holidays with this smart device. Stream music, manage your shopping list, and make video calls. 8. Cookie Decorating Kits. Price: $25.99. Fun for the whole family. These kits include everything you need to decorate holiday cookies like a pro. 9. Artificial Christmas Trees with Lights. Price: $159.99 plus beautiful pre-lit trees in various sizes and styles, perfect for hassle-free holiday decorating. 10. Gourmet Gift Baskets. Price: $49.99 plus delight your loved ones with curated gift baskets filled with chocolates, nuts, cheeses, and wines. 11. Holiday Cookie Cutter Set. Create beautiful, festive cookies in shapes like snowflakes, trees, and stars. Perfect for holiday baking with family. Price: $14.99. 12. Smart String Lights with App Control. Customize your Christmas lights with different colors and patterns using your smartphone. Great for indoor and outdoor use. Price: $29.99. 13. Electric Turkey Carving Knife. Makes carving your Thanksgiving turkey a breeze with precision and ease. Price: $39.95. 14. Portable Hot Chocolate Maker. Prepare creamy hot cocoa in minutes for those cozy winter evenings. Price: $49.99. 15. Festive Dining Table Runner. Add a touch of elegance to your holiday table with this beautifully designed runner featuring Christmas motifs. Price: $19.99. 16. Holiday-themed Silicone Spatula Set. Fun, festive kitchen tools perfect for baking cookies or mixing batters during the holiday season. Price: $12.95. 17. Christmas Countdown Advent Calendar. Count down the days to Christmas with surprises behind every door. Great for kids and adults. Price: $25. 18. Turkey Roasting Pan with Rack. A non-stick roasting pan that ensures your turkey is perfectly cooked and easy to serve. Price, $35.99. 19. Essential oil diffuser with holiday scents. Fill your home with festive fragrances like pine, cinnamon, and vanilla to set the holiday mood. Price, $24.99. 20. Insulated holiday travel mug. Keep your coffee or tea warm on cold winter mornings while showing off festive designs. Price, $18.95. Thanks for watching. We hope this guide helps you find everything you need to make this Thanksgiving and Christmas extra special. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing holiday tips, gift ideas, and must-haves. Christmas tree speech balloon. Tell us in the comments, which Amazon find is your favorite. Santa, see you in the next video, and happy holidays.